How to deactivate your Messenger account without deleting your Facebook account. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account without deleting the Facebook. So the very first step is to launch your Messenger account. After that, you need to go select and log into your account. On the top left side, you will see 3 vertical lines. Tap on it. Tap on the very setting option right here. Scroll down and tap on see more in account center. Tap on personal details. Tap on account control and ownership. Now you need to tap on deactivation or deletion. Select your account and tap on continue option after tapping on deactivating. Now what you need to do is enter your password. After you enter your password, it will take you to a page like this. So just select any reason right here. Now explain your reason. Now what you need to write here is, I want to delete my Messenger account. Just type this and tap on the continue option. And then tap on deactivate my account, and then your Messenger account will be deactivated just like that. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.